It's time to come home to East Bay Apartment Homes in Daphne. This cozy apartment home features 750 square feet of living space. The kitchen has modern, energy-efficient appliances. The bedroom has plush carpeting and a ceiling fan for added comfort. The living room, kitchen, and bathroom have luxury vinyl plank flooring. This unit also features in-home laundry connections, as well as a private patio. You'll love our wonderful amenities, including a boardwalk pier on Mobile Bay, an Olympic-sized saltwater pool, a pet park, a pavilion and grill area, a 24-hour fitness center, and much, much more. Call or text 251-626-0234 to schedule your tour today.